I'm feeling worried and there's too much on my mind, I turn on my music and I leave the world behind. I get lost in music and I suddenly feel free. When I'm lost in music, I am where I want to be. I am where I want to be. Music makes me happy. It can always make me smile. Music makes the world seem so much better for a while. When your mind is heavy and nothing's going right, play your favorite music and the world seems clear, clear and bright. When I'm just too tired to get through